And then every day, I'm introducing new ideas, different practices for just 15-20 minutes each day.
Especially for us parents, if you're like me, I've got a 6-year-old, and therefore my thought is I want to remain capable and strong and still be climbing trees when I'm in my 60s and 70s.
That if you do them regularly, if you practice them every day, you'll get to the point where you no longer need to remember them. They'll just be a part, they'll be a motor response to dealing with either the ups and downs in life or just the energy flows in life.
Later on in the course, we will go through a few enhancements to this practice that you can play around with. You don't have to do it every time. Just doing this on its own is perfectly fine. Shoulders relaxed, back straight. When this is working properly and you've slowed down the prefrontal cortex and you've got this transient hyperfrontality moment occurring regularly, good things happen simply because this is working properly. So it's a good thing to have a practice to remove some of those self-limiting templates that we accrue throughout our lives. And as a reminder, and I will remind you of this every day, intention is key. How you intend to go through your day, breathing, pushing, pulling, interacting.
Oh, I tell you what, you are top of the class.
There's always one.
Yeah, exactly. There is always a keener.
So come and join me for the next one. Link below in the description. You will learn, amongst many things, breath practices, kinesiology ideas, mind hacking techniques, methods that are so simple to build into your day, everybody can do them. You never know, I might well have shaven by then. And yes, there probably will be a choice of hats too. But I'm looking forward to seeing you there next Monday. Link below in the description. Ta-ta for now.